So that's going to equal negative 10 pi cosine of pi t sine of pi t. So if we're just kind of thinking about the chain rule in general with the function, then we can do this by just like using f prime notation. So here if I wanted p prime of x, this is my outside, this is my inside. So I'm going to take the derivative of the outside, which is f prime, leave the inside alone. Then multiply it by the derivative of the inside, which would be 2x minus 1. So p prime of x would be that 2x minus 1 times f prime of x squared minus x. But we want to know what it's going to be at negative 1. So p prime of negative 1 is going to be negative 3 f prime of 2. And that's all we can do for now, because we don't know what the function f is. But for any function f, this is how we would do it. Okay, see if you can pause and try the next one, and then check with what I get. Inside, outside. Oh, I got another inside though again. We're going to have a double chain. Chain, chain, chain. Alright. Derivative of the outside, leave the inside alone. Times the derivative of this inside now. So now it's the derivative of the inside is outside inside. Derivative of the outside, leave the inside alone, times the derivative of the inside. And clean that up. All right. So this one just wants you to kind of set it up a little bit. So you could just do the quotient rule here, or you could kind of manipulate it if you wanted to try some other rules. So cotan is cosine x over sine x, which would make it sine squared x. Or I could make it cosine x times sine to the negative 2x. So there's lots of different options of how I wanted to derive. I could do the quotient rule here, quotient rule with a chain rule here. I wouldn't do that. Here's a product rule with a chain rule. So it's just kind of easy to see some other things that we could do. We could also rewrite sine squared with an identity, just all kinds of different things. So that's just what I want you to think about for that. All right, good job. Good luck today.